The 2024 Kawasaki Z650 stands out as a testament to Kawasaki's legacy of creating motorcycles that excel in performance and embody Sugomi styling. This compact middleweight motorcycle is designed for discerning riders seeking a balance of easy handling, optimal engine, and chassis performance. The 2024 model introduces a metallic matte dark gray/metallic spark black colorway, emphasizing its modern and stylish aesthetic. At the heart of the Z650 is a 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine tuned to deliver strong, smooth, and responsive power, particularly in the low to mid-range. The camshafts, with a short operating angle and valve overlap, optimize performance in this range. The compact design of the engine, aided by features like the assist and slipper clutch and Kawasaki Air Management System, KAMS, contributes to the motorcycle's nimble and agile nature. The chassis is built around a lightweight trellis frame, promoting extremely light handling. The horizontal backlink rear suspension system enhances mass centralization, and the triple pedal design brake discs, coupled with Nissan brake calipers, ensure excellent braking performance. The Kawasaki Traction Control (KTR) system provides enhanced sport riding performance with 3 modes to suit various riding conditions. In terms of ergonomics, the Z650 offers a rider-friendly setup with a slightly forward handlebar position, low foot peg placement, and a slim seat. The Street Fighter cockpit design enhances the sporty appearance, while features like a rubber-mounted handlebar and adjustable levers contribute to rider comfort. The Sugomi styling of the Z650 is a visual highlight, characterized by a sharp LED headlight, compact cowl, and muscular radiator shrouds. This design philosophy aims to evoke an intense aura or energy, inspiring awe and respect. The TFT color instrumentation adds a high-tech touch to the cockpit, featuring a 4.3-inch display with various functions, including smartphone connectivity via Radiology the app. Speaking of connectivity, the Z650 offers Bluetooth integration for accessing information through the Radiology the app. Riders can view vehicle information, riding logs, receive telephone notices, and adjust general settings through the app. The 2024 Z650 is part of Kawasaki's diverse lineup, which includes Retro Sport, Hypernaked, Super Naked, Mini Naked, Hypersport, Super Sport, Sport, Retro Classic, Cruisers, Adventure Touring, and Dual Sport models set to hit dealerships in the fall. The 2024 Kawasaki Z650 emerges as a versatile and stylish middleweight motorcycle, blending performance, style, and technological features. With its strong Sugomi presence, advanced engineering, and rider-centric design, the Z650 caters to riders looking for an exhilarating experience on both daily commutes and spirited rides on backroads.